Godot Movement 2D. Method 3. Take a look at how simple it is, and then I'll explain. _physics_process. It is a special Godot function that is called automatically every physics frame. It is used for everything related to physics and movement, character movement, collisions, gravity, velocity. Without this function, you would have to manually tell Godot when to update the movement. Input.get_vector. It is a Godot function that collects 4 inputs and creates a vector too. The structure is input.get_vector, left, right, up, down. In our case, input.get_vector, UI_left, UI_right, UI_up, UI_down. Now let's see if it works. Yes, it works. Let me know on comment section if you understood.